Welcome. Today we're going to do a short meditation, hoping to help ground you and bring you back to the present. So you can be sitting on the floor or on a chair. Maybe you want something under your bottom. So I'm sitting on a meditation cushion. So if you have something, maybe a block or a cushion, that can make you a bit more comfortable and lift your hips up a bit higher. So coming to sit somewhere, either on the floor or in your chair. If you're on the floor, crossing your legs at the middle of the shins, hands are resting somewhere on your palms, lifting up through your chest, closing your eyes if they're not already closed, tall through the crown of your head. Think of lifting through your upper body and also grounding down through your lower body. And just noticing the points of contact between you and the floor. So maybe your feet, your bottom, maybe thighs. And releasing any tension in your face. And bringing your spotlight of awareness to your nostrils, the point where the air comes in and out of the body. Inhaling, feeling belly, chest expand. And as you exhale through the nose, chest, belly sink back down. And the only thing to do in today's short meditation is bring your attention back again and again to this point of your nostrils where the air comes in and out. So you don't need to be stopping any thoughts or judging any thoughts, but just try to have your whole focus on your nostrils. And if you catch yourself lost in a thought, it's perfectly okay. Just going to bring our attention back to the breath. And sometimes it can be hard to actually let go of a thought. So before coming back to the breath, you can just label it. Say thinking or remembering or planning. Just giving a label to whatever thought you're caught up in. And then returning gently back to the breath. relaxing if there's any tension you're holding, maybe in your face, your forehead. Let your body be soft. And all you need to do here is breathe. Making your inhale and exhale a little longer now. Trying to really extend through the exhale. And then slowly bring some movement back to the body, your fingers, blinking open the eyes, coming back to your space, and just feeling how you are now. Let's take one closing breath to finish. Bring your hands to your heart, inhaling through your nose, holding at the top, letting out through the mouth. So big inhale, holding at the top, and then let's release together. Thanks for joining me in this short practice, and I'll see you again in the next class.